Betrayal doesn't just hurt, it shocks your entire system. Whether it's a cheating partner, broken promises, or someone you trusted, your mind goes into survival mode. Fight or flight kicks in, stress hormones rise, and suddenly you're dealing with anxiety, sleepless nights, overthinking, and a deep sense of loss. You might even ask yourself, was it my fault? But here's the truth, it wasn't. Healing takes time, but you can heal. Let's talk about how. First, create distance, not to punish them, but to protect yourself. Set boundaries, even if that means cutting contact. If a snake bites you, you don't chase it for answers, you treat the wound. Do the same here. Second, allow yourself to grieve. You're not just losing a person, you're losing trust, memories, and the future you imagined. Feel everything, anger, sadness, confusion. There's no wrong emotion. Write it out, talk it out, don't bottle it up. Third, take it day by day. Some days you'll feel okay, other days you won't. That's normal. Healing isn't a straight line. Just keep going. Fourth, learn to let go. Not all at once, but gradually. And when you're ready, consider forgiveness, not for them, but for you. Holding on to anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to suffer. Forgiveness doesn't mean what they did was okay. It means you're choosing peace. Start with yourself. Forgive yourself for what you didn't know. Then, when you're ready, let them go. Fifth, calm your nervous system. Your body has been through a lot. Breathe deeply. Rest. Take care of yourself. Even simple things, a quiet moment, a walk, warm water can help you feel safe again. Sixth, don't isolate yourself. It's tempting to shut the world out, but healing doesn't happen alone. Talk to someone. Reconnect. Even small connections matter. Seventh, rebuild trust slowly. Not everyone is the same. One person's betrayal doesn't define everyone else. Ask yourself, what did this teach me? Maybe boundaries, maybe self-worth. Use the pain to grow stronger, not harder. And finally, believe that you will heal. One day you'll remember what happened without the same pain, not because it didn't matter, but because you grew beyond it. Healing doesn't mean forgetting, it means moving forward, stronger, wiser, and more aware. So take your time. Be gentle with yourself. You're not broken. You're rebuilding.